sounds like electricity, right?
What do you think it is?
I don't know. I would change the starter and the battery though. Those are the first two I did.
That's like the cheapest.